Look at the top golf courses here in Jávea, Spain. Boy, there's some great golf, and we have a list of 3 courses that we wanted to target. Starting off with a wonderful 18-hole golf course that's a par 71. Just 15 minutes from downtown, south of it, is a beautiful link-style course. Its coastal layout with lakes and palm trees and strategical bunkers make it for a perfect destination. It's suited for golf levels of all different challenges and advanced golfers. And this full facility has a practice range, also a restaurant, and a pro shop with buggy rentals. Leaving us now with just 2 more courses here to take a look at as we zoom on in to a familiar but small 9-hole golf course here, which is well known for beginners and quick rounds of golf. This strategic Mediterranean style golf course is perfect layouts with elevation changes. It's a good option for a short round of golf and for those swinging through this beautiful area to play some golf. Overall, it's considered to be a top destination, and it's a good option for a short round, combining both the next golf course and this one as well. Wow, there's some great golf in this area, and we were lucky enough to walk through 2 courses so far, leaving us with just 1 more. But it's important to note that this is an independent, opinionated list, so any course we missed will want to hear from you down in the comment section, just in case we have to make updates. Let's close this list out here with our number 1 golf course, a 27-hole complex with 3 9-hole loops. Built by Jose. This features elevated and beautiful views of the mountain and the Mediterranean Sea. It's definitely considered an intermediate championship style course with a full facility, practice area, and pro shop. It has all the amenities one would need to have an elite golf experience in this part of the world. Have you played any of these courses? Let us know down in the comment section, as we hope to play some of them in the near future. We played some courses in Spain, but not all of them. So hopefully we can get back and play some of the remaining courses that we're hoping to target, like this area here. But until then, if you have any information on these courses, be sure to add them in the comment section and take a look at our other videos that will pop up right now. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come, and subscribe down below to the Professor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area. Hopefully this brings you one step closer to figuring out if this is a good destination for golf in your trip.